grass coming up on this entrance. This is where I started doing the grass at the beginning, and as you can see, the garden is getting some grass growing, and the hard work that has been done. And you can see my new hose here. This is my new hose, and it has a special head to water, and so you can clearly notice that the grass is growing a little bit there as well. So topsoil is there as well, and as you can see, I've got this special tool here which really helped me out